Connective tissue. The connective tissue widely distributed in all over the body. The connective tissue high vascular. The connective tissue made up by ground substance, matrix, special cell fibers. Ground substance matrix. It is modified polysaccharides jelly like fluid present between cell and fibers. 3 टाइप्स के फाइबर्स होते हैं: रेटिकुलर फाइबर, कोलेजन फाइबर, इलास्टिक फाइबर। स्पेशल सेल कौन कौन से होते हैं और उनके फंक्शन क्या होते हैं? फाइब्रोब्लास्ट सेल, फॉर्मेशन ऑफ फाइबर; मोथ सेल, फॉर्मेशन ऑफ हिस्टामाइन; मैक्रोफेज सेल, किल द माइक्रोब्स; एडिपोसाइट सेल, स्टोर द फैट; प्लाज्मा सेल, फॉर्मेशन ऑफ एंटीबॉडी। ये इनके फंक्शन है। फंक्शन ऑफ कनेक्टिव टिश्यू टू कनेक्ट द बॉडी पार्ट. Connective tissue act as a support and packaging material. The connective tissue protect the internal organ. The connective tissue prevent the displacement of body organ during movement. The connective tissue store the energy in the form of fat and adipose tissue. The connective tissue transport the essential component. Connective tissue provide the maintain the immune system. Classification of connective tissue: loose connective tissue, dense connective tissue, special connective tissue. लूज कनेक्टिव टिश्यू, इसके 3 टाइप्स होते हैं. फर्स्ट है रेटिकुलर कनेक्टिव टिश्यू. दिस टिश्यू प्रेजेंट ओनली इन lymphatic system. It also called lymphoid tissue. The reticular fiber present in high amount. The fibroblast cell convert into reticular cell, and these cell are used in formation of reticular fiber. For example, lymph node, spleen. Second है areolar connective tissue, also called spongy connective tissue. Areolar connective tissue present in body in high amount. In this tissue, space are present called areolar. For example है between skin and muscle, around the blood vessel, around the neurons. Adipose connective tissue. It is types of loose connective tissue. In this tissue, adipocyte cell are present in high amount. This cell store the fat, for example, below the skin. Second है dense connective tissue. इसमें first regular dense connective tissue. In this tissue, collagen fiber are arranged in regular form. Example, tendon and ligament. Second है irregular dense connective tissue. In this tissue, collagen fiber are arranged in irregular form. Example, covering of heart, pericardium, covering of bone. थर्ड है स्पेशल कनेक्टिव टिश्यू. इसमें फर्स्ट स्केलेटन कनेक्टिव टिश्यू. इन दिस टिश्यू मैट्रिक्स इन हाई viscous. The matrix is solid due to deposit of mineral. This tissue provides the support and protection. Example है cartilage and bone. Second है fluid connective tissue. In this tissue matrix is free from fiber. The special cells are present. This cell continue circulate in body with nutrition, gases, excretory product, hormones. Example, blood and lymph.